Welcome to Beauty in History. Today, we're journeying through the vibrant festivals of India. Known for its diverse traditions, each festival tells a story of joy, spirituality, and unity. Let's explore some of the most captivating festivals celebrated across India. Our journey begins with Diwali, the Festival of Lights, celebrated across India. Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after defeating Ravana, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. Homes are decorated with diyas and rangolis, families come together for feasts, and the night sky glows with fireworks. It's a celebration of light, hope, and prosperity. Next, we have Holi, the Festival of Colors. Celebrated as winter turns to spring, Holi is a joyful expression of unity. According to legend, it celebrates the triumph of good over evil, as shown in the story of Prahlad and Holika. Across India, people join in with colors and laughter, forgetting old grievances to celebrate together. Navratri and Durga Puja honor the divine feminine. For 9 nights, people across India celebrate with dance, fasting, and worship. In Gujarat, Garba and Dandiya dances light up the night, while in West Bengal, Durga Puja pays homage to Goddess Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura. These festivals highlight the beauty and strength of devotion. Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha are Islamic festivals celebrating faith, charity, and community. Eid ul-Fitr marks the end of Ramadan with prayers and a festive meal, while Eid ul-Adha, the festival of sacrifice, honors Prophet Ibrahim's devotion. These festivals bring together families and friends with a focus on gratitude and compassion. Christmas, celebrated on December 25th, is a festival of joy, unity, and giving. Marking the birth of Jesus Christ, Christmas brings together people of all backgrounds. From Kerala to Delhi, lights, carols, and decorated trees fill the air with warmth and celebration. Makar Sankranti celebrates the sun's transition into Capricorn and the new harvest. Celebrated with kite flying, sweets, and bonfires, Makar Sankranti is a day of joy and gratitude for nature's blessings. It symbolizes the end of winter and the beginning of warmer days. In Tamil Nadu, Pongal is a festival of thanksgiving to the sun and nature for a bountiful harvest. Families gather to cook a special rice dish, also called Pongal, and offer it in gratitude. This 4-day festival celebrates the unity of tradition, nature, and community. Text overlay Pongal Tamil Harvest Festival January. Baisakhi marks the Sikh New Year and the start of the harvest season in Punjab. Celebrated with lively Bhangra dances and family feasts, Baisakhi is a time of community and gratitude. It also commemorates the formation of the Khalsa, a pivotal moment in Sikh history. In Kerala, the harvest festival of Onam marks the return of the legendary King Mahabali. Celebrated with boat races, floral designs, and the traditional Sadhya feast, Onam is a time of unity and gratitude, capturing the essence of Kerala's heritage. Finally, Janmashtami celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. In Maharashtra, people celebrate with Dahi Handi, a traditional sport where teams form human pyramids to break pots of yogurt. This festival reflects the playful spirit of Krishna and reminds us of love and devotion. These festivals reflect the beauty and diversity of Indian culture, each one a unique story of joy and tradition. Which festival is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Beauty in History as we explore cultural wonders across the globe.